Every missed call or unanswered lead costs businesses money. On average, it's estimated that each lost lead represents around $1,200 in missed revenue. A report published in 2021 highlighted this exact problem at home by Yogas. Their leads were coming in from all over the world, but there was no system to automatically identify which country a lead came from, assign it to the right sales representative, or ensure someone followed up quickly. As a result, potential customers waited an average of 24 hours before receiving a response. Now think about that for a second. If just one lead per day is lost because of that delay, that's $1,200 every single day. Multiply that by 365 days and you're looking at $438,000 in lost revenue every year, all because of one surprisingly simple problem: slow response time. And that's the reality for thousands of businesses that still rely on manual follow-ups. So the real question is, what has AI done to solve this problem? A few years ago, the only answer was to hire more people, more sales rep, more customer support agents, more employees checking emails, answering phone calls, and manually following up with every new lead that comes in. It worked, but it was expensive, difficult to scale, and mistakes still happened. Today, that's no longer the only option. AI can respond to new leads within seconds, answer common questions automatically, send personalized follow-up messages, organize customer information, and even decide what should happen next based on how a customer interacts with your business. Instead of relying on someone to remember every lead, businesses can now rely on intelligent automation to handle repetitive tasks consistently. That's exactly why we've seen such a massive rise in business automation platforms over the last few years. Tools like HubSpot, Salesforce, Zendesk, and HighLevel are all trying to solve the same challenge in different ways, making sure no potential customer slips through the cracks. They help businesses respond faster, stay organized, and create a smoother experience for every customer. Today, I want to focus on HighLevel because it allows us to build powerful automation workflows visually without writing a single line of code. Rather than just talking about what it can do, let's actually build a simple workflow together from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how businesses can automate their entire lead follow-up process in just a few minutes. Our goal is simple. Someone fills out a form on our website, they immediately receive a confirmation text message. 1 hour later, they receive an email with more information. 24 hours after that, they automatically get a reminder if they haven't taken the next step yet. At the same time, they're added directly into our CRM pipeline so the sales team can track everything in one place. Once the workflow is built, the entire process runs automatically. Let's get started. Inside HighLevel, I first head over to Sites, then Forms. This is where customers submit their information. So the first thing we need is a simple lead capture form. For this demo, I've already created one called Lead Capture Demo. It only asks for the essentials: the customer's name, phone number, and email address. Nothing complicated, just enough information to begin the conversation. Once the form is ready, we move over to the automation section and open workflows. Here, I create a brand new workflow from scratch. Every workflow starts with a trigger, which tells HighLevel when the automation should begin. In this case, the trigger is form submitted. I also select my lead capture demo form, so the workflow only runs whenever someone submits that specific form. Now the interesting part begins. As soon as someone completes the form, the automation starts instantly. The very first action I want is to send an SMS, so I click the plus button, choose send SMS, and write a short confirmation message that says something like, "Hi, thanks for contacting contacting us. We received your request and someone from our team will get back to you shortly. It doesn't need to be long. The most important thing is that the customer gets an immediate response. Remember the problem we talked about earlier. Most customers don't contact just one business. They usually reach out to several companies at the same time. Very often, the business that responds first has the highest chance of winning that customer. Instead of making people wait for hours, automation lets you acknowledge their request within seconds, creating a much better first impression. Next, I don't want to send another message immediately because that would feel unnatural. Instead, I add a wait step. HighLevel lets me choose exactly how long the workflow should pause before continuing. For this example, I'll set the delay to 1 hour. After that hour passes, I add another action. This time, it's an email. The email can contain much more detailed information than a text message. Maybe it explains what happens next. Maybe it answers common questions, shares useful resources, or includes a booking link so the customer can schedule an appointment right away. The exact content depends on the business, but the automation itself remains exactly the same. Now let's take it one step further. I add another wait action, this time for 24 hours. If the customer still hasn't responded or taken the next step, HighLevel automatically sends a reminder. Nobody has to remember to follow up. Nobody needs to check a spreadsheet. Nobody has to manually send another email. The workflow handles everything automatically. Finally, I add one more action. Add contact to CRM pipeline. Now every new lead is automatically placed into the correct stage of our sales pipeline. Instead of digging through emails or messages to figure out where each customer stands, the entire team can instantly see their progress. From new lead to contacted to appointment booked and eventually customer. Everything stays organized without any manual effort. And this is where workflow automation becomes incredibly powerful. We're not just automating text messages or emails, we are automating the entire follow-up process. Every customer receives a fast response. Every lead follows the same journey. Every interaction is recorded automatically inside the CRM, making it easy for the whole team to stay on the same page. The best part is that we only have to build this workflow once. Tomorrow, next week, next month, or even 6 months from now, it continues running in the background. Every new lead automatically goes through the same exact process without anyone rebuilding or managing the workflow manually. That's why more and more businesses are investing in automation every year. And it's important to understand that this isn't about replacing people. It's about removing repetitive, time-consuming tasks so your team can focus on conversations that actually require a human touch. Instead of wasting hours spending the same follow-up messages over and over again, they can spend that time closing deals, solving problems, and building stronger relationships with the customers. Whether you're running a local business, a marketing agency, an online store, or a coaching business, the principle is exactly the same. Respond faster, follow up consistently, and never let qualified leads disappear simply because nobody replied in time. If you'd like to start building workflows like this yourself, you can check out HighLevel using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.